on video?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? So today, or tonight, we're fishing the dock lights, and we're doubled up right now, and there's shrimp flowing everywhere, bro.
You mean landing for you? I can land for you. Oh, in the boat.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. Jackson, get mine. In the boat.
Hell yeah. Yo,
Alright, y'all,
gotta get a picture of this.
This is gonna be a fire video.
Oh.
Let's get into it. We've been out here all day catching nothing. We get to the snook light.
Can't see you.
Stacked, bro. So let's get the double.
Justin's is definitely way big.
Let's get the.
Yo, I can't get this hook out.
Let's get the thumbnail right now, Jackson. Like with the.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, maybe we should.
Show up, show up.
Jackson, ready?
Hey.
Jackson, you ready? Don't release it yet. Don't.
I know.
Oh, no, shrimp. Freaking shrimp. Alright, y'all. We're on again? Oh, we're doubled up again, actually.
Hey, this is not fair.
Oh. Jackson, hold the light, bro. You only want no fish. And my chest cam's not on correctly.
Don't Tristan's fish.
Bro, look at all the shrimp. We got mine over here.
Oh my god.
Tristan's is over here.
Screaming, bro.
This is so fun.
Let's go.
Tristan got his. Alright, ready? Bow flip.
This one's bigger. Oh, and I still got my shrimp. Yeah, heck yeah.
We got another double. Another double up.
These are those players.
Ooh, where the heck is mine hooked? Mine's hooked deep.
Where'd my hook go?
Mine's hooked deep, bro. Holy!
Where's my hook? Should I have a tape measure. I have a tape measure. I know, I'm just saying. If I catch my PB, you know. How big that one?
I don't know. Alright, gotta get a nice release on him. I had to cut the hook. He absolutely choked it. Bye, buddy. Tristan's hooked up again.
This one?
Alright, all we're using right now is a little shrimp on a hook, free lining it at the snook light. See if we can get another one. I'm gonna grab the net just in case I see any shrimp floating by. Cast it right up in there. I doubt you guys can see it, but there's shrimp all over the place. Alright, I'm on again. He's alright. Flip or die. Ah. Nice little snook. Jackson's on again.
What, again?
Oh, Jackson's on for the first time. Can't catch a fish.
On my custom mini rod.
No one cares. I broke off for the 18th time
Off
today.
the dock.
Yeah, I broke off.
Like a what?
Like a what?
Oh, my fault. Shoot. I totally like, I was like, what the hell are you guys saying? What the what? What the what?
Jackson definitely does not have a problem at all. Wink, wink.
Eat it in.
I think we should go shrimping now. Nice little snook.
That's not that bad. First fish of the day?
Yep, Jackson got his first fish. Congratulations, Jackson! Woohoo!
Guys, you want to get it measured? SMT. You want to get it measured? Yeah, your PB?
Oh yeah, Jackson with the snook. Maybe you guys can see him. Probably very zoomed out, but you know, it's alright. Tiny snook. I think we should go shrimping. We're almost out of bait.
Oh, flash on. Good flash on.
Catch some shrimp.
Yeah.
Try to catch some shrimp, see if there's anything floating by. And we're marking some stuff on the depth finder. Let's see if there's shrimp in there. Alright, let's go.
Definitely stuff on the bottom. 16 feet. You see that? Oh yeah, pro lighting. We have fish.
That's
Shells. That's great. Got a nice rock.
Oh, I thought it was something else. Well, they got to the bottom.
Sure did.
2 pass cards.
You gonna keep those?
Yeah, we'll keep the pass cards.
Yeah, I'm getting down. Nice.
Yeah. The sheep's head. Hit the sheep. Hit the sheep. Hit the sheep. Oh my god. That thing's a tank. Oh. Freaking bud. God dang it, that was a big sheep. Alright, y'all, I'm on. He just let go, bro. You've gotta be kidding me. In like a week since the last time, since the snook fishing at night on the dock light. But we're back out. I'm back on the boat. Jackson might meet up with me later. But yeah, we're gonna try to catch a sheep's head or something real quick. But yeah, we're back out on the little boat. And we're gonna head out and see if we can't catch ourselves some fish. Let's go. Alright, I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's kind of windy. We made it to the first spot. And we're at my friend's dock. We're just gonna be throwing a little hog ball with a crab on it so we can get a sheep's head real quick right here. Nice little trout. I think he's small though. He's like 14. Nice little trout. Let's get him back. He's all I'm throwing just a little salt strong paddle tail. Alright, I'll hook on a better fish here. I just got a redrift. Put the boat in gear and then this thing smoked it. I think it's a bluefish. I don't want to cut me off. Gosh, this would be good shark bait. Look at the gas. It's a big old bluefish. I've actually never caught one. Gosh dang it, bro. This gaff sucks. So bluefish. I think they made pristine shark bait. Look at him, look at him. This is actually my first one. It's pretty cool. Alright, nice little bluefish. He's definitely getting kept for shark bait. 100%. These things are the best shark bait you can ask for. So bloody, so good. Look at these teeth. Oh yeah. Alright, see if we can't catch something else. Alright, we just reset on the same spot. And if I can get this thing tangled, I got new bait on. I don't know if that was the other fish or the blue fish. Took a chunk out of it. I'll take a few more casts and switch it out. Alright, we just got back to the house. I know I didn't film too much today, but you guys saw us catch some trout and that bluefish. I did end up catching a sheep's head, a little 13-incher. I brought the mullet for bait, but a little 13-inch sheep's head. Something small, but it's something. So I did end up catching him, not on camera, and I also caught a nice little 16-inch red. I was just really tired and the last spot of the day. And I actually need the sheep's head for a school project, so I was just really trying to catch a sheep's head. So, yeah. So no catch and cook on this video because we're using a sheep's head for a school project. But thanks for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!